Happy New Year to everyone. If learning generative AI is a priority for you in 2026, keep watching. The generative AI space is moving incredibly fast. Every week, there's a new framework, a new model, or a new must-learn concept that everyone's talking about. But here's the thing. Most engineers who try to break into Gen AI feel the same frustration. They open a course, start watching, and within the first 5 minutes, they're thinking, wait, this assumes I already know PyTorch. This assumes I understand neural networks. This assumes I've worked with GPUs before. And if you don't know those things, well, you're expected to figure it out on your own. That's exactly the gap we built IdeaWeaver to solve. Today, I want to show you why IdeaWeaver Gen AI course from software and DevOps engineer to generative AI engineer, a 4-month hands-on journey, is fundamentally different from most generative AI courses available today. And I'm going to be completely honest with you. If you're looking for shortcuts, this isn't the right program. But if you want a clear, hands-on, honest path from software or DevOps engineering into generative AI, stick around. The problem. Let me paint you a picture. You're a back-end engineer, or maybe you work in DevOps or system engineering. You've heard about ChatGPT, you've seen what AI can do, and you want to get into this space. You're motivated, you're ready to learn. So you sign up for a course, and the instructor starts talking about transformers and attention mechanisms and fine-tuning. But they never explain what a tensor is. They never show you how to actually access a GPU. They skip over the tokenization step because it's self-explanatory. And you're sitting there thinking, is it? Is it really self-explanatory? That's the problem with most courses. They assume you already know too much. They skip the fundamentals. They rush through the boring parts. And you're left feeling lost, frustrated, and wondering if you're just not cut out for this. We built IdeaWeaver Gen AI course because we don't believe in that approach. The 10 differences. Let me walk you through exactly what makes IdeaWeaver Gen AI course different. I'm going to give you 10 specific reasons, and I want you to see if any of these resonate with your learning experience so far. Difference number 1, we don't assume anything. We start from scratch. Most courses in the market assume you already understand PyTorch, neural networks, GPUs, tokenization, and training loops. If you don't, you're expected to figure it out on your own. We don't believe in that. We start from absolute fundamentals and build up step by step. Whether you're coming from DevOps, backend engineering, or system engineering, you're never left guessing. No hidden prerequisites, no silent assumptions. If you don't know what a tensor is, we'll teach you. If you've never touched a GPU, we'll show you how. If tokenization is confusing, we'll break it down line by line. This is the foundation of everything else we do. Difference number 2, real GPU access, not just demos. Here's something that drives me crazy about most courses. They talk about models and GPUs. They show you demos, but they never let you actually touch one. We do. In IdeaWeaver, you get real GPU access, not just temporary demos or read-only notebooks. You can run models, fine-tune them, experiment, break things, and learn the way real engineers do. And most importantly, this access is not taken away midway like Google Colab or other notebook. You're not going to get 3 weeks in and suddenly lose access because your trial period ended. This is real access for the entire program. Because here's the truth, you can't learn to work with GPUs by watching someone else do it. You need to actually do it yourself. Difference number 3, code is explained line by line. I want you to think about the last online course you took. How many times did the instructor say, this part is self-explanatory, or you can figure this out, or let's skip ahead? For most learners, it isn't self-explanatory. And when you're dealing with LLMs, training loops, attention mechanisms, and inference pipelines, skipping over code is a recipe for confusion. In IdeaWeaver, every line of code is explained step by step. We slow down where others rush. We explain why something works, not just that it works. This is especially critical when dealing with complex concepts. Understanding why the attention mechanism works the way it does, why we structure training loops a certain way, why inference pipelines are built like this. That understanding is what separates someone who can use a model from someone who can build and debug one. Difference now 4, live lectures every weekend, not just recordings. Recorded lectures are convenient, I get it. You can watch them on your own time, pause, rewind, go at your own pace. But they don't replace interaction. That's why we run live sessions every weekend, Saturday, Sunday, 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Pacific time zone. You can ask questions. You can see concepts explained differently when someone asks something you didn't think of. You can learn from real-time discussions. Recordings are available. Of course they are. But learning doesn't stop there. The live sessions are where the real learning happens, where you can get unstuck, where you can dive deeper into the parts that confuse you. Difference number 5, AI assistance when you're stuck. Here's a scenario that happens all the time. You're working through an exercise at midnight, you hit a blocker, you're stuck. In most courses, you wait, or you try to figure it out yourself, which might take hours or days, or you might never figure it out. In Idea Weaver, we provide AI-powered assistance to help you debug, reason through problems, and move forward faster. This isn't about replacing learning, it's about enhancing it. When you're stuck on a syntax error or a configuration issue, you shouldn't have to wait days to get unstuck. You should be able to get help and keep learning. Difference number 6. Dedicated Discord community. Learning alone is hard. I don't care how motivated you are, how many resources you have. Learning in isolation is difficult. That's why Idea Weaver includes access to a dedicated Discord community. You can ask questions, you can share your progress, you can get help from peers and instructors, you can learn from real-world discussions. You're never isolated. You're part of a community of people who are on the same journey, facing the same challenges, and learning together. This community aspect is something that's often missing from online courses, but it's crucial for actually staying motivated and making progress. Difference number 7, step-by-step hands-on exercises. Every concept in Idea Weaver is reinforced with structured hands-on exercises. Not random tasks, not vague assignments, not go build something cool and figure it out. Each exercise is designed to solidify exactly what you just learned, so concepts stick, they don't fade. The exercises build on each other. They're progressive. They're designed to take you from understanding a concept to actually implementing it, debugging it, and making it work. This is how you actually learn, not by watching, not by reading, but by doing. Difference number 8, build a small language model from scratch. This is where most courses stop. They teach you about language models. They show you how to use pre-trained models, but they never show you how to actually build one. We don't stop there. In Idea Weaver, you'll actually build a small language model from scratch. You'll cover tokenization, embeddings, attention, training loops, and inference. And yes, you'll do this with GPU access, so it's not just theory. This is the capstone project. This is where everything comes together. This is where you go from, I understand how language models work, to I can build a language model using real GPU, and that's a fundamentally different level of understanding. Difference number 9, coverage of modern, real-world concepts. Here's another thing that frustrates me about many courses. They're frozen in time. They teach you concepts from 2020 or 2021 and they never update. Idea Weaver isn't like that. We cover current production-relevant tools and ideas: RAG, fine-tuning, quantization, MCP, agents, LangGraph, Llama Index, Crew AI, N8N, small agents, Ollama, VLLM, and more. Everything you learn is aligned with how Gen AI systems are actually built today, not how they were built 2 years ago, not how they might be built in some theoretical future, how they're built right now in production by real teams. Difference number 10, designed by an engineer, not a content factory. This is personal, but it matters. Idea Weaver wasn't created to maximize video count or marketing claims. It wasn't built by a content factory that churns out courses based on keyword research. It was built by someone who has actually struggled, built, failed, debugged, and shipped systems in this space. Every lesson exists because it solves a real learning pain. Every concept is included because it matters. Every exercise is designed because it teaches something essential. This program was built by an engineer for engineers, and that makes all the difference. The honest truth. Now, let me be completely honest with you. If you're looking for shortcuts, this isn't the right program. If you want to learn generative AI in 7 days or master LLMs in a weekend, this isn't for you. Idea Weaver Gen AI is a comprehensive program. It takes time, it requires effort, it demands that you actually do the work, not just watch videos. But here's what you get in return: a real understanding. Not surface level knowledge, not the ability to follow a tutorial, but actual deep understanding of how generative AI systems work, how to build them, how to debug them, and how to deploy them. If you want a clear, hands-on, honest path from software or DevOps engineering into generative AI, this is exactly what we built Idea Weaver for. What you'll actually build. By the end of course, you won't just understand generative AI concepts. You'll have built a small language model from scratch, fine-tuned models on your own data, deployed models for inference, implemented RAG systems, built agents with modern frameworks, worked with real GPUs, debugged training issues, optimized inference pipelines. You'll have real projects, real code, real experience. Not certificates, not completion badges, but actual skills and actual projects you can point to and say, I built this. Who this is for. Idea Weaver is designed for software engineers who want to transition into generative AI, Devops engineers who need to understand how to deploy AI systems, system engineers who want to build AI-powered applications, anyone who's tried to learn Gen AI before but felt lost, anyone who's tired of courses that assume too much, anyone who wants to actually understand, not just use. If you're coming from a non-ML background, this is perfect. If you've tried other courses and felt lost, this is for you. If you want to build real systems, not just follow tutorials, this is exactly what you need. The bottom line. Here's the bottom line. The generative AI space is moving fast. New frameworks, new models, new concepts emerge constantly, but the fundamentals don't change. Understanding how neural networks work, how attention mechanisms function, how training loops operate, how inference pipelines are built. That understanding is what allows you to adapt as the field evolves. Idea Weaver gives you that foundation, not through shortcuts, not through assumptions, but through a clear step-by-step hands-on path that starts from scratch and builds up to building real systems. Build real systems. Understand the internals. Learn with confidence. That's what Idea Weaver is about. Call to action. If this resonates with you, if you're tired of courses that assume too much, if you want to actually understand generative AI from the ground up, I'd love to have you in Idea Weaver. The link is in the description below. Check it out, see if it's the right fit for you. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments. I read every single one and I'll do my best to answer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who might benefit. And subscribe if you want more honest, practical content about building AI systems. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep building, and remember, there are no shortcuts to real understanding, but there is a clear path.